Get your ass to Mars. Get your ass to Mars.
Do you think you could play along?
Great.
Do you think you could play along?
Just for old time's sake.
Fire it up, Doc.
This okay?
Just for old time's sake. Just for old time's sake.
Don't be an idiot. This
Get your
okay?
ass to Mars.
This
Get your
okay?
ass to Mars.
I'm not familiar with that address.
Just
I'll
for
blow
old time's
this
sake.
place up and be home in time for cornflakes.
Don't be an idiot. Don't be an idiot.
Just for old time's sake. Just for old time's sake.
Don't be an idiot. This okay? Don't be an idiot.
I don't
Just
give
for
you
old
enough
time's sake.
information to think.
Don't be an idiot.
Get your ass to Mars.
Just for old
If you
time's
don't
sake.
trust me, you can tie me up.
Don't
Just
For
put
old
it out.
time's sake.
Don't be an idiot. Don't be an idiot. This
Just
okay?
for old time's sake.
Don't be an idiot. This
Get your
okay?
ass to Mars.
Just for old time's sake.
This okay?
Get your ass to Mars.
I'm not familiar with that address.
Just for old time's sake.
This okay? Don't be an idiot.
Just for old time's sake. Just for old time's sake.
Don't be an idiot. This okay?
Just for old time's sake.
Fire it up, Doc.
Just for old time's sake. Just for
Don't be an idiot.
just for
Don't be an idiot. Don't be an idiot.
just for old time's sake. Just for old time's sake.
Don't be an idiot. Don't be an idiot. Don't be an idiot. We hope you enjoyed Don't the be an ride. idiot. I'm not familiar with that address.
Howdy, stranger.
Do you think you could play along?
Great. Because otherwise I'll erase your ass.
Do you think you could play along?
Great. Because just for old time's sake.
Do you think you could play along?
Great. Because otherwise I'll erase your ass.
I don't give you enough information to think. Get a grip on yourself. You've got to want to return to reality.
Fire it up, Doc.
You've got to want to return to reality.
Just for old time's sake.
Do you think you could play along?
Great. Because otherwise I'll erase
This
your
Do you
okay?
think you could play along?
just for old time's sake.
You've got to want to return to reality.
Take this thing out of the case and stick it up your nose.
This
Get your
okay?
ass to Mars.
Fire it up, Doc.
You've got to want to return to reality.
This
Just
okay?
for old time's sake.
Well, if you don't trust me, you can tie me up.
Get your ass. Take this thing.
Just for old time's sake.
This
Get your
okay?
ass to Mars.
I'm not familiar with that address.
Take this thing.
I'll
for
blow
old time's
this
sake.
place up and be home in time for cornflakes.
Just
Wake
for
up!
old time's
Wake
sake.
up! Come on! Wake up!